All right, guys, welcome back to the channel again. Today we're going to be going over electric versus gas ranges. Which one's better? We get a lot of questions on this, and we're just going to kind of dive in a little bit and give you guys a couple things. So first thing, I have an electric stove here. You usually have a coil top or you have an electric smooth top. Main benefit of having the electric is, first off, it's smooth. Pans that are flat rest better on electric smooth tops versus a gas top, and we'll go over to a gas top here in a second. You have grates, and sometimes it can wobble. You just have to make sure it's leveled properly. Other thing is electrics are separated into watts with their burners. So you're going to look at the higher wattage element is going to boil faster or heat faster. With electric, uses more electricity or uses more energy in general. If you're looking at a savings thing, gas stoves are cheaper to operate just because gas is more efficient to operate than electric. These are easier to keep clean. Obviously, when you have a gas stove, you're gonna have your cast iron grates. You have to move out a little bit heavier. These, you just grab a rag. They have a lot of different cleaners you could buy on the market. Just a quick wipe down, and these stay pretty clean. Gas stoves are a lot harder to keep clean. Second thing is the cost of install. Most homes in the US already have your 220 volt set up for this. Whereas gas, a lot of times if people like to cook with gas stoves, you have to have the gas plumbed into the house, which can get pretty expensive pretty quick. I know minimum, you're looking at, if it's not that far of a gas line, it could be 150, 200 bucks minimum starting out. Also, electric stoves price point is lower. Starting out, if you're comparing model to model, generally you're gonna pay $100 less for the gas stove, for the electric stove versus the gas. All right, guys, now we're looking at another 5-burner gas stove this time. Main benefit of having the gas is you can control the exact pretty much temperature of the flame instantly. The electric stoves, they go on and off. You're gonna see the glow go from red to just not glowing anymore where the heat's activated. So you have these big fluctuations in temperature when it goes up and off, or on and off, on and off. The gas stove, you can control the exact temperature of that flame. So you could go from super hot, cool it down really fast by turning the temperature of that flame lower. Also, a lot of different pots that some people use, like woks, for example, they are able to cook better on a gas surface than an electric surface. If it's kind of an oddball shaped pan or pot, they work better on a gas stove just because you have an even distribution of the heat for the most part versus electric where it has to be, the pot or pan has to be completely flat. Second thing is just overall versatility. With a gas stove, you have a lot of different options and accessories that you can use. You have your griddles that you can put on the top, you can sear with those. You have electric options too, but they don't work quite as well. In my opinion, if you're more of a, not professional cook, because I'm not at all, if you just want to be able to cook things and have a little bit more control, I'm going to pick a gas stove as the winner versus electric. But thanks guys for watching the channel. Please like and subscribe, and we'll keep on making videos.